Akasekho emhlabeni uSiphiwe Mkhonza 45 years obedume ngelika Dr Mnandi wodumo kwiGolden Arrows neKaizer Chiefs emva kokubhekana nenkingo yenso isikhathi eside. Ubedume kakhulu ngokuhlaziya ezemidlalo kwaSABC. Ungeniswe esibhedlela eCharlotte Maxeke ngenyanga edlule wadedelwa ngoba esekhombisa izimpawu zokululama. Udlule emhlabeni namhlanje ekseni emzini wakhe. Ushiye emhlabeni izingane zakhe ezintathu, unina, uyise kanye nomfowabo. Rest in peace, Dr. Mnandi.
Dibakhona, Dr. Mnandi.
Oh, yes.
Also, let's just congratulate you. Can we, because he's been, before the show even started, he said we need to congratulate him. What are we congratulating?
He said Mamelodi Sundowns will win the league. And I think the second week of the league.
Yeah.
So I'm saying congratulations to him and to Mamelodi Sundowns.
No, but I can't. Because it doesn't take a genius to pick the team that won the season last year. They won last year, and I'm like, oh, I'm a genius for choosing Sundowns. That's like choosing Man City to win the league.
You could have said Baroka, it's fine. I'm not charged.
No, sorry, boy. Congratulations. Congratulations. Good prediction. Thank you. Hey, I think
Siphiwe Mkhonza noDr Mnandi udokotela ushukela bathi ezimnandi zikuzwa lapho ayisiwile ke ngale research on the 17th of September 2023 eHammanskraal ngamasilelo ke but if information ngena ku www.masilelo.co.za ama price utaputapu zwakala no 5 sivula ama gate lona sizozivoka but no 6 ayishaye imoto sizoayinikazi. It's all about investing in yourself. Mara zwakala share rounds abo Dr Mnandi bazoba khona sizoayina.